guys, welcome back to Cooking with Mimi, and today I'm going to show you how I make my vegetable rice. So let me show you my ingredients. I use extra virgin olive oil, 1 cube of fish bouillon. You can use chicken bouillon, beef bouillon, whatever flavor you decide to use. 2 packets of sazon. One is cilantro and achote, and the other one is cilantro and tomatoes. Goya adobo with pepper, and Goya sazon total. 1 can of coconut milk, and of course epis. You can find that on Cooking with Mimi. And you're going to need about 4 to 5 cups of water and 5 cups of rice. I already washed it. And 1 bag, 16 ounces of any vegetable blend of your choice. I like to use this coastal blend. Now let's get started. First, I'm going to turn my heat on medium. Then I'm going to add my olive oil. So that's about a tablespoon. Right there. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of epis. I'm going to add my package of sazon. And this is really to give it the nice orange color. I'm going to add my fish bouillon cube. Break it up a little bit. Then I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of Goya adobo and 2 teaspoons of the Goya sazon. Then I'm just going to give that a quick mix. You just want to fry the seasonings for about 30 seconds. Then you want to add your veggies. Use the whole bag and then mix that in. Then you're going to keep stirring. After you add your veggies, you want to put your heat on low. And you kind of want to fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Just until all the veggies are thawed out and have a nice color. In the meanwhile, I'm going to measure out my milk and water. Here I'm going to add the coconut milk. That's about 2 cups of coconut milk, and I'm going to add 4 cups of water. Looks like my veggies are nicely thawed out. Then I'm going to add my coconut milk and water combined. So this is about 4 cups, and I need 2 more cups. And then you're going to want to bring it to a boil. Guys, and I forgot to mention, I like to add a Scotch bonnet pepper, a whole Scotch bonnet pepper in my rice water, just to give it that nice flavor. Just just waiting on this to boil. You can put it on high. Now that my water has came to a nice boil, I'm going to turn my heat on low and add my rice. Then I'm going to give it a stir. Then I'm going to put my lid, and it's just going to do its thing. Alright guys, so it's been about 15 to 20 minutes. I've turned my heat off. So let's see how my rice is looking. Ooh, wait. Would you look at that? Wow. Guys, this is the finished product of the rice. Really nice. It's very yummy. I actually have this rice posted on my channel with how to cook salmon. So if you guys want to see it plated, you can hop on over there. Thank you guys for watching my channel on how to make vegetable rice. I had a great time. Can't wait to come up with more content. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you next time on Cooking with Mimi.